So today we will see what are anagrams. So I take two words listen and silent, and now I will comment it out. Silent, so we can see that there are total 6 words in the listen and total 6 words in silent in the list. Letters are L-I-S-T-E-N and in silent, S-I-L-E-N-T means all the letters in the list are the same letters in silent. We just rearranged it so there are 2 words here, so 2 words whose length is same and the letters inside them are equal. They are called anagrams. Now we will make this program. So first of all I take a variable I will get input in this string str input, enter one word colon space enter, and after that I make a list. Let's make a list of xx_lsd is equal to blank list. And then I will make x1 variable in which I will convert it to lowercase. We can use x0.casefold and I will append it in x_list. First of all I will do that and is equal to, so x is our input here. So n is equal to sorted. First of all we have to pass the x1 in lowercase in list, so x_list dot append x1. Similarly, we will do the same with other words. Another word colon space or enter, we will make a list for y, also y_lsd is equal to blank list and y1 is equal to y0, and we will convert this also in lowercase. We will use case fold and we will append this y_lsd dot append y1. Now I will quickly make a function. In the name of def anagram there will be 2 parameters, basically 2 words will be either a and b, colon, enter. In this we will take a variable m which will sorted a and then will sort b. We have to pass the list to a and b, then we will check that if m is equal to n, m is equal to n, then we will print f string, every string. The 2 words. The 2 words a and b are anagrams. Then enter it, then give else condition we will print f string. The 2 words e and b are not anagrams. We will put the dot and enter. Now we will call the function, so we will take it all. Let's take a variable z, we call the function in c, and we will have to pass 2 arguments x_list, y_list, and we have called it. Now we will run it once in c, so I run it, so it asked us first words, so I give it listen and enter another word, so I write silent, so it wrote that 2 words while listen and silent are anagrams. Okay, we don't need list here, I remove the list. x1 and y1 will work. So I will write x1 here and I will pass y1 here. I will run the program again and here I write listen and here I write silent, so the 2 words listen and silent are anagrams. So these 2 words are listen and silent are anagrams. So basically we had to make this program, so we made anagrams. So now we have understood that 2 words whose length is same and the letters used inside them are same, and if you rearrange them, 2 different words are anagrams.